Hey guys, Andrew Coster with Pit Boss Pellet Grills. Today we're at the Danson's Training Center and I'm going to be showing you part replacement and maintenance on a Pit Boss pellet grill. For this we're going to be using the 820FB, but this process can be used across the line for all Pit Boss pellet grills. Because the burn system is so similar, this can be used for not only this Pit Boss grill, but the Pit Boss you have at home. So now that our hopper is already off, our next step in the process is actually going to be to remove the zip ties holding our wires in place. We're going to use wire cutters or scissors to do this, being extremely careful not to cut the wires at that time. Next, we are going to be removing the auger motor from the auger itself. The auger is held to the auger motor by a shear pin that we are going to remove using a nut driver and an Allen key. Once that shear pin has been removed, you can actually just pull the auger motor directly off from the auger and disconnect it by the plastic Molex connectors. So now that we've removed our auger, we can do any maintenance on the auger that we need, including cleaning up rust spots using fine grit sandpaper. Once we've had that complete, we can actually go ahead and put the auger back in place inside the grill and the motor included just by doing everything in reverse.